Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide Facebook Marketplace posts from your friends. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, we need to open up a Facebook Marketplace. Then from here, click onto your user profile. Now, once we're inside of this page, go ahead and click onto your listings under selling. Now, under your listings, scroll down and find the listing or the listings that you'd like to hide from your friends. So say, for example, I want to hide this toilet bowl. I want to click on the three dots here. Now, once you click on the three dots, we want to click onto, it should say edit listing. Now, inside of edit listing, we want to go down and scroll down and look for the option, should be near the bottom of the page, hide from friends. So if you go ahead and enable this listing is still public. If you hide this listing from friends, they won't see it in most cases. Also, hiding from friends will remove this listing from groups as well.